our menu animation, we are going to discuss how we can apply the animation over text, images, graphics on the slides. Last time we have applied transition. Transition was applied to the whole slide. But now I want to apply animation over this text only. So I will not choose the option transition, I will choose the option animation. Now this is the text. For the title, we have written essential elements of effective e-commerce design. Now I want this text to be animated in such a way that it should fly from the top of the screen and drop letter by letter on the slide. Okay, I want this text to be fly from the top and to be dropped on the slide letter by letter with some interesting sound effects. Okay, for that purpose I will select that text and I will go and choose the animation. Here are our animation: appear, fade, fly in, float, split, wheel. Which one should I choose? I should choose fly in because I want flying text. Okay, first I choose the option. You can see that it is flying in from the bottom. Now here we will click animation panel, animation pan button. Here in this animation pan you can see your transition animation. Go to your animation and click effect options. Effect options. Now you can see that it is saying that fly from bottom, left, right, top. We need it to fly from top. Okay, I selected the option top. Now what sound we need? Now I think I need the sound of drum roll. And how it should animate? At once, by word, or by letter? I need it to animate by letter. Okay, now you can see in the preview. You can also preview from here. You can run the slideshow in this way by clicking slideshow button. It will show you the animation you have applied. Now for the second slide, for example, this is the title of the slide and this is some text over the slide. Now I need title animation. I'm going to choose the option survival. This is survival effect. You can see it is looking very nice. We'll click animation panel again and go to option effect options. Now I need the sound of breeze. I need it to survival by word, not by letter this time. Okay, this is the survival effect. Okay, now I selected the second text. I want to choose the option zoom. This way. This is the zoom effect. Now I will go to effect options and choose a sound. For example, I need a sound of a hammer here and I need it zoom at once. It's okay. Now we want to check it in the slideshow. Let's see what is happening. This is the way you can apply the animation. Now we have some more animations also over here. For example, I want an animation on my slide which should make for example, here we go. You can see that entrance and emphasis animation, and there are more entrance, more emphasis, more exit and more motion path. I need a motion path here. It looks very nice. In the motion path, you can see that you have different shapes drawn over here. I need the motion of a heart over my title. I selected the option heart animation and then click OK. I can change the size of the heart also. I can make it bigger in size. Now we'll choose the option effect option, and I'll choose the sound of chime. I'll choose it by letter and click OK. Now it will make the heart. So this was the animation of motion path. You can choose any motion of path from the option motion path. Okay. This was how we have applied the motion of motion path. Now I want some image over here to apply the animation over the image. For that purpose, I'll go to option insert and picture, and I'm going to choose some picture over here. Let's see which picture we need to show. Okay. For example, I need this Academy logo here on my slide number 7 at this place. Now I want a little animation with logo. I'll go to the option animation, and now we'll select the animation for it. I'm going to choose zoom or grow and turn. It will look very nice. This is grow and turn. Okay. Now we need effect options. We have selected the sound of wind, and color is okay. We'll choose the option okay. This is the way it will animate. So in this menu, you have learned how can you apply the animations on your text and images. This menu is used to apply the animations over the slides. And the previous menu, the transition. For example, I'm going to apply a transition again. Over here, for example, I need a transition of blinds. It will be applied to the slide, the whole page. Okay? While animation applies to the selected text or selected image. Okay? Now you can see I have applied both of them. This is what this was transition, and this is the animation. Okay? This is the difference between animation and transition. Transition always applies on the whole slide, and animation always applies to the single selected text or single selected image. This was our topic for PowerPoint today.